Welcome back. There seems to be some level of order in nature. Things around us seem to be arranged in an orderly manner, from one level to the other. Now, living things are organized into 4 levels. Let's name them from the simplest to the most complex. The cellular level, the tissue level, the organ level, and the system level of organization. This means that living things can either exist as a single cell, as a tissue, as an organ, as a system, or as a collection of systems. In the order of evolution, cells come first. Now, a cell is the smallest unit of life. It is the simplest form of life. Living things can be made up of a single cell or 2 or more cells. Organisms which have just one cell are called unicellular organisms. Examples of unicellular organisms include Euglena, Amoeba, Paramecium, and Chlamydomonas. These single-celled organisms are able to carry out all of life processes such as movement, nutrition, respiration, growth, reproduction, etc. Now, organisms that have more than one cell are multicellular organisms. Such organisms make up the next level of organization, the tissue level of organization. When 2 or more cells come together, they can change their structure and become specialized to perform a single task. At this point, they have formed a tissue. A tissue is therefore a group of similar cells that aggregate and work together to perform a specific function. Examples of tissues in plants are the xylem and phlegm. Blood and bones are tissues in animals. Some animals exist at the tissue level of organization. They include hydra, fungi, algae, and sponges. Next, we have organs. That shouldn't be a strange word to you, right? Right. An organ is composed of similar tissues that perform a specific function. Some examples of organs in animals include the liver, ears, and heart. Flowers, leaves, and roots are plant organs. The 4th and the last level is the system level of organization. Sometimes it's called the organ system level of organization. So what's a system? You must have observed the pattern from the previous levels. So it is safe to say a system is composed of several similar organs that carry out a specific function. That's right. The respiratory system is a good example. It is made up of the nose, trachea, bronchi, bronchioles, alveoli, and lungs. Other examples of systems in living organisms include the reproductive system, skeletal system, excretory system, digestive system, and etc. Now, a collection of systems make a whole organism, like some animals and flowering plants. I believe you now see that order exists in nature. It is important to follow the order of evolution when discussing the organization of life. That is, from cells to systems and vice versa. That's it for this lesson, friend. I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye.